I didn't see you there. Let me just hold this. I'm here to tell you about biology. Not just biology, but the evolution of it all. 15.2. Ideas that shaped Darwin's thinking.
Darwin!
Hello, I'm Darwin the Explorer, and I'm here to tell you about my journey across the ocean. I found many fossils and brought them back to Europe. Those people, I changed their thinking. They thought about how life could have been other than could have existed before us humans. And they started to explore, and then they thought how there was other species outside the ones we were aware of surrounding us. So I went on a trip. Thanks for listening to my journey across the ocean. This is Darwin the Explorer signing out.
Darwin sailed on a ship just like this across the ocean. Captain, there's a storm ahead.
Darwin found many fossils on his journey. And just like these, but they were actually fossils.
Yeah! Lamarck!
Hello, I am Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. I propose that by selective use or deuse of organs, organisms acquired or lost certain traits during their lifetime. They could be passed to offspring, and they led to a change in species. Inheritance of acquired traits. Over time, birds needed wings to fly in order to survive, so their limbs evidently grew into wings from generation to generation. Once the birds who were trying to get their wings had babies, they passed it on to their offspring, which, in conclusion, too, the birds can fly. Lamarck, out.
Malthus!
Hello, I am the English economist Thomas Malthus, and I'm here to talk to you about population growth. I am one person that had a great influence on Darwin, and in 1798, I published a book that explained how babies were being born faster than people were dying. I reasoned that if the human population continued to grow unchecked, then sooner or later, there would be insufficient living space and food for everyone. Some factors that worked against the population growth were war, famine, and disease. I also supported my theory with conditions in certain parts of 19th century England. Darwin realized that my theory applied to plants and animals even more than it applied to humans. Humans produce less offspring than most other species do. For example, a maple tree can produce thousands of seeds in one summer alone. And also, an oyster can produce millions of eggs each year. If all offspring of most any species survived for many generations, they would overrun the entire world. A large majority of a species' offspring die, and of those offspring that survive, few of them succeed in reproduction. Thank you. Malthus signing out.
Lyle!
Hello, I'm James Hutton.
And I'm Charles Isle.
And
we help scientists recognize the Earth is millions of years old.
There are many forces that shape Earth as it is today. Layers of rock are moved by Earth's surface, and others are buried and pushed up to the seafloor. These geological processes operate extremely slowly and take a very long time, more than 1,000 years old.
I discovered that the processes must be observed. Volcanoes release gas and lava in the past and the present. I helped Darwin appreciate the significance of a geological phenomena. Darwin understood geology, and we did too!
Yes! Huge rocks, such as these, are composed of sandstone, which show distinct layers that were laid down over millions of years ago.
Hutton and Lyell cited geological features, such as these rocks, as evidence that Earth is many millions of years old. As you can see, they're very old.
Very old rocks here, sitting right here.
Yeah, see, like, look at them. They're beautiful.
There are many layers composed of this rock.
They're distinct also. They're very distinct.
Which
And they
make
were
up
laid
Earth.
down here millions of years ago.
All the resulting rocks make up mountains and valleys and everything that we have on Earth today.
The end!
Apes. To cavemen. To modern day humans.